Hey friends, and welcome back to Old Mill Homestead. So today we're doing just a quick video to show you some of the things that we've been doing on the homestead that have made a huge difference. So not everyone has a lot of space to work with, and you guys have heard me talk about that. We're very blessed in that the square footage we have, but there's little things that we can do to make it better. So let me swing you around and show you just some of the things we've done in the kitchen and then some of the things we've done in the laundry room. So in the kitchen, I don't know if you can tell a difference. This is the largest piece of countertop I have. Let me move you back some. So this is the largest piece of countertop. So this makes the most sense of where we would do prep. So I moved the Berkey to this side over here and moved the mixer over there. So theoretically I have all of this workspace, which is much better than where I predominantly tried to work, which was here. So the thing that works great about that is I have the sink right here, the mixer, the trash is right here, so if I need to just throw something in, it's right there. The dishwasher, and then the stove, all in this little work angle. What I'm most excited about though is, ta-da! So Nick and Joe worked on this last night and got me some shelving in here, which this has just been a wall. There's been nothing in here that's helped. So they built a frame down here and then put this on top. And so I was able to, all of this was just kind of sitting on top of the washer and dryer. So I was able to put all of this in. See if I can back you up a little more. I was able to put all of this in here and have this whole space to fold clothes or do whatever. And then we have the upper shelf where I have all of my larger kitchen appliances. Most of these I've gotten. This I got a couple months ago. That was gifted. That was gifted. That I've had a couple, 3 years. And then this I use for making my beeswax candles. So it's just a little frame of some scrap wood, and then this piece we bought from Lowe's last night. Like I said, they were in here last night working on this. And then this shelf, I am tickled pink about all of this space and storage that I now have that we didn't. And in a small home, everything makes a difference. So let me swing you into the room. We bought some more grow lights tonight. There's Nick in the background getting ready to start working on some stuff. We bought some more grow lights last night or today, and because, let me show you, here's our little stand. We have seedlings. Look at that. Look at all that. So I need to transplant some of those. So, you know, we're dealing with limited space. So we're shifting something here. We bought some of these last night that we're going to transplant into these and just have this area here and see how that works out. But lots of small but big changes on the homestead, and I'm tickled pink by it. I'm tickled pink that I have more space on the countertop to work and to cook and to hopefully not have as much anxiety when I'm in the kitchen cooking, because I actually have somewhere to prepare things now. And then all of the space in the laundry room, we've been researching today, and well, all along, but pretty hot and heavy today. We've been researching the hardware cloth for the chicken coop. I want to go ahead and get that stuff here so that when we have a good day, a nice day, and we have time, that we can get out there and get started on it, because we both stay fairly busy. And so whenever it's a nice day, we want to be able to get out there and start working on it so it's ready in June, which we have 3 months, but it sneaks up on you when you're busy and have other things going. So quick, short and sweet video. I just wanted to show you just some of the little things that make a huge difference here on the homestead. Tickled pink, I feel like I've not gained any square footage, but I feel like I've gained square footage, and that's huge when you're working in small spaces. So you don't have to have a huge house. You just have to figure out how to better utilize the area. So I freed up some pantry space by putting those larger kitchen appliances up in the laundry room. I freed up a cabinet, a cupboard, so that I can put for my birthday, that's what I am getting for my birthday, is the canning, the Presto 23 quart canning and water bath, whatchamacallit, canner. So I've got a spot for all of my canning stuff. So it and everything else, it freed up a cabinet over there. Just little changes, little things. That project cost us less than $100 to make those 2 shelves and everything that came with it. And then purchasing the other stuff for the grow area. So I just wanted to update you on some of the really exciting for me, maybe not so exciting for you, Homestead things that we've been putting into practice over the past weekend. That's a lot. That's great progress. I'm tickled for the weekend. So we will see you guys in the next one with some future videos. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.